About to hit 549, so let's bring back in meteorologist Alan Rose. And Alan, I can't believe it. That is snow behind you right now.
Tony, your snow dance has worked, my friend. I'm going to have to call you again later this week. And we're actually seeing some heavy snow. This is about 3 miles west of the Vail Pass summit. It looks like the road is clear here. That would be I-70. But we have seen reports of some slick and icy conditions at the top of Monarch Pass. And here's what it looks like at the base of Monarch Mountain. As we know, they rely on all natural snow. And up until about 24 hours ago, we were seeing more dirt and brown than any signs of white. So this is some great news. We still have winter weather advisories in effect for the northern mountain ranges, an additional 4 to 8 inches, but that comes with some strong wind today. We could see westerly gusts topping 50 miles per hour up there and gusts around 45 miles per hour with an additional inch or 2 of snow out towards the San Juan ranges. Here's what it looks like this morning here in Colorado Springs, where we're starting out with clear skies and a view of Pikes Peak off in the distance. 47 degrees, a bit breezy out there so far this morning, and in fact pretty windy out towards the eastern slopes of the Rampart Range. Now today that downslope wind will keep temperatures above average at 60, but that's a drop of nearly 10 degrees from what we saw back on Sunday. As we look ahead to your Tuesday forecast, further cooling on the way with dry skies and upper 50s. In Pueblo right now, it's breezy to gusty and mild at 49 degrees. Your high today, also cooler than what we saw over the weekend, but still in the upper 60s with lower 60s to fall on Tuesday. Now here's the area of low pressure we're tracking this morning. This is going to bring us snow in the mountains, wind in the plains. As we look ahead to the end of the week, the storm off the coast of California, another big storm out there for the Golden State. That brings us the potential for the first flakes of the season to parts of southern Colorado late this week. Now today, most of the snow is going to fall across the mountains, especially for the northern and central mountain ranges. That's where we'll see some of the heaviest accumulations. Everything winds down as that low pulls away later tonight. Now wind is going to be the big story region wide. So from the mountains to the I-25 corridor to the eastern plains, wherever you're watching this morning, expect to see gusts through the afternoon up around 30 to 40 miles per hour. Wind begins to taper off around sunset tonight with further weakening of the wind as we make our way towards late Monday evening. All right, highs today ranging from the 50s in the mountain valleys to the 60s and low 70s on the plains. There's that brief dip Tuesday, back up a few degrees on Wednesday, and then we're down to the 40s Thursday to Friday. Still a lot of details to iron out with the incoming storm. What's the exact track? How strong is the low as it passes through Colorado? Right now I see an increase in rain showers during the afternoon and potentially a change over to snow Thursday night to Friday morning. Looks like snow levels generally around 6,500 to 7,000 feet. That would mainly mean rain for Pueblo, but might see some flakes mix in Thursday night or Friday morning. Similar setup, I think, for now for Canyon City. But until that low moves on shore Wednesday, we're really going to have a tough time nailing down exact specifics, including that rain-snow line. In Woodland Park, you're high up enough that we think we've got some snow heading your way as early as Wednesday night. Thursday looks like we will see snow in that forecast.